I was chatting with a friend who's been learning web development using vanilla JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. They mentioned that they're hitting some type of a mental block and are struggling to make progress. They say that they watch tutorials and everything there makes sense, but they're unsure if they should move on to learning more advanced tools such as React and building up from there. The problem is that they're watching tutorials and not building projects. Now, nothing I say in this video is going to be a novel idea. If anything, you've probably heard some variation of this somewhere else, but this is my take on the trap that many of us fall into when learning to code or any skill for a matter of fact. One day you decide that you want to get good at coding. So you open up your laptop and purchase a course on Udemy. Or if you're cheap like me, you look for a free resource online like the Odin Project, which I highly recommend for anyone interested in web development. You commit to go through the course for maybe 1 hour a day. If you're really motivated, you commit to the 100 days of code challenge. And off you go. The spirits are high, and you will complete this course. You get deep into it, and at this point, you tell yourself, a lot of people would have quit, but not you. You're determined, and you march on until you finish. Now what? You're done. But there's still gaps in your understanding. You can feel it. So, off to YouTube for more tutorials, or if you're really serious, you buy another course. What I've just described is referred to as tutorial hell, a state of perpetual learning where one course or tutorial is followed by another without ever applying anything that you've learned. Now, don't get me wrong, courses are great. They're a fantastic learning resource, but they're not meant to be finished. Well, at least not in one go. You start the course, learn the foundational concepts, and get to a point where you know just enough to become dangerous. Then stop the course and start building projects. Always, always prioritize building projects when learning. Create more than you consume. No one ever got good at anything by just going through courses. The real work, the real learning happens when you get your hands dirty and focus on applying what you've learned, even if it feels like you only know just a little. You can't claim to be good at bowling if you've only ever played with the guardrails up.